What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best 3D printers under $500. It's not quite an expensive product right now. When you can buy the best 3D printers under $500, it's not that hard to fathom how convenient it has become to own one. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 3D printers under $500. Number 1. Combro Ender 3 Pro 3D printers under $500. To begin with our list, we have the Combro Ender 3 Pro 3D printer with us. It's a fully open-source device. Made from durable aluminum 1100 material. Heats up to 110 degrees C in 5 minutes. This makes it a prime choice for you to print easily on the go. As for the power supply, it is quite safe and secured as well. Resumes from the same spot after heavy power surge. Turn it off. Easy to remove printing models. Number 2. Anycubic Mega S 3D printers under $500. The success and popularity of the Anycubic 3D printer lie mainly in the high-precision build of the machine. Sleek and modern design where everything is integrated precisely. Shakes less and prints more with a larger printing volume. The printer base, which is called Ultra Base, is designed to be a stable platform for the printed objects. Titan extruder helps in better printing jobs with ultimate precision. Every functionality is in your control with a big touch screen. Number 3. Combro Ender 3 3D printers under $500. If you like the Ender 3 Pro from Combro, it's evident that the Ender 3 will be on your wishlist as well. Made from solid material for sturdiness and reduced shaking. It can resume printing from the place it left. The machine can resume from the place it stopped printing with simply a few clicks on the device. V-shaped construction with POM wheels for mobility. Upgraded extruder for a better reduction in plugging risk. Number 4. Monoprice 121711 Select Mini 3D printers under $500. Monoprice has named their 121711 Mini 3D printer correctly, as you can find very few compact printers like this on the market. Comes completely assembled and ready to use. Wide range of extruder temperature to support most filament types. Starting from ABS and PLA to even more advanced material, the machine is suitable for any filament on the market. Nozzle cooling fan for cooling down the heated plate. Compact and easy to use device. Number 5. Labist's Mini Desktop 3D Printers under $500. If you're looking for the best 3D printer under $500 designed for kids, this one is your betting horse. Magnetic printing plate can be removed to take off the printed object. Prints at a silent mode under 60 dB. Again, the new and improved extruder provides high accuracy for you to enjoy block-free filament use in the machine. It takes 5 minutes to assemble and get going. Reaches 180 degrees C in just 3 minutes.